guys, this video is a review of one of the best walkie-talkie apps called Zello. So as you can see, you can use this app even for work with Zello work. Let's sign up first. You'll need a username, password and an email address and an optional phone number. App already had an account, so let's sign in. And here we are. Now that we're in, you can test your voice in echo. You press on the microphone and talk. If you press here, you'll have your conversation. You can play them back. You can even accelerate the conversation and delete whatever conversation you want. And when you click on the top right corner, you can change your status. You have available, solo, busy or offline. You can set a status message as well. Now let's see the options that you have. You can edit your profile in here. You can manage your blocked contacts, change password, set email and phone, or even delete your account. You can modify your username, about you, location, and your website. Now let's go back to accounts. You can have multiple accounts. You can add another account by pressing on the plus sign. You sign in or you sign up if it's a new account. You can change the appearance of the app, change the language, the theme, black or white theme, the font size. Now let's go back. You can change some audio settings like the volume of incoming messages or the background noise. You can also configure the push to talk button, the screen button. Either you hold to talk or to toggle. I prefer to toggle, more practical. Now let's move on to behavior. So you have parameters of how the app behaves when a message comes in or a vocal message comes. Then notifications. This has to do with sounds, so you can either activate or deactivate them. The chat alerts, push to talk alerts, and other alerts. So you have all of them in here in notifications. Now let's go back to history and set the parameters of your history. You can set the time limit when to delete your messages, after how much time. You can set the size of the voice messages, how many megabytes, and the image storage size as well. Now if you want to purchase Zello work, you can upgrade in here. Let's go back. Now let's go and add a new contact. So you click on contacts, you click on address book and select the contact that you want to invite. Then you will send the message. That person will receive it and he will need to install the app and get in. Now that the contact is added, you can talk to him or her. You click on the contact, you click on the microphone and talk. You can send him or her a message. Done. And you can change your settings in here as we've done previously. Go back. You can send a picture or a video. You can send an alert to that person. Here you can use either an earpiece or the speaker. Next to it, you can change the parameters of the app if you want it to display over other apps. Now if you click next to the contact's name, you can change his name. You can send location, add participants, mute him or unmute, or add to favorites. You can also set it as default. You can report that user by clicking on the red flag and choosing the reason why. Let's go back. And now let's create a new channel. The first two options are for already existing channels. Let's create a new one. Let's call it family and set the channel type. You have open, select plus, and Zello cast. You can choose whatever you want. And you can secure it with a password. You can add details about the channel, describe it, and allow or disallow features like voting, location sharing, talking to administrators, etc. The channel's name is taken. Let's choose another one and check if it's available or not. Done. And now it will take you to the address book. And click on add to add this contact to this particular channel. You click on the power button if you want to disconnect from the channel. You click on the arrow for more options, like inviting friends and sending alerts to particular contacts. The first contact in this channel will be automatically chosen as a moderator. You can later change it. You can send him or her a message, a written message. When you go back, you'll find your channel list. Let's go back. And you have your options in here, your text messages. Next, your contacts and moderators. You can modify them. You can choose to only talk to moderators and not to the other contacts and send them messages as well. Now let's go back to the channel and see the different options that we have. Here you can find all your blocked users, prohibited from talking, trusted users, moderators, and administrators. You can also alert your subscribers, and below you have the list of all the parameters related to your channel. And here you can also delete your channel. Now when you receive a written message, you'll get a red notification next to the channel's name, and you just click on it and it will open up. Down below you have all your channels, contacts, and reasons. If you want to sign out, click on the top right corner. Just one piece of advice, don't keep it running in the background for too much because it will run out your battery. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.